Because that line's, it's a light line, okay? And if he goes to bolt,
Mike catching his first fly fish.
Yeah. All right, Mike, you're doing good. Yeah, just fight him. Yeah, there you go. Strip him in a little bit. That's your drag system. Is your finger on the pressure here. Yeah, perfect. He's gonna run. Let him run. There you go.
See.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yep. Go ahead and strip some more in. Let's see if we can net this fish. Easy. Not too high. Go ahead and can you bring him in a little bit to me? Big brown trout. Okay, now just lift the rod high. Don't.
Good eye, buddy.
Yep. Oh
yeah! Woo! That is awesome. Look at that thing.
Look at that.
Whoa!
Oh, yeah.
That is a big one.
That's
For
a
your
big
first fish, you were totally
Yeah.
spoiled.
Look at that big hook
Wow.
jaw. Oh,
Hoorah.
yeah.
Let me take one photograph of that thing and then I'll let you put it back.
Oh, oh.